And we're back to CapCut. Let me show you how I can place text behind a person. Keep in mind this method only works well when it is with a person. When it is like a car or anything like that, an object, you have to do it manually. But in this case, it's going to work. We'll add a default text right here. We make it as long as the video clip. And then we can adjust it on the right. Let me call it CapCut, and I change size and font. We make it also bold, so adjust it like a regular text element. Once you're good here, you want to select clip below and then press Ctrl C, Ctrl V. We've got it copied, and then drag the copy on top of the text. So what we have is the original video, the text, and then the original again. Select the top one, so our original copy, and then go to Video, Cutout, and scroll down until you can find the auto cutout. Just check the box and it should be processed. Depending on your CPU, it's going to take a while, but here we are now. And if I play it, you can see it has cut out the person in every frame. It's not perfect when you make it slowly and check every single frame. So if you want to have perfect results, you have to do it manually. But for a quick solution, I'm actually very happy with this. And if you just play the clip quickly, most viewers won't notice. So this is a quick solution to create this text behind an object effect using CapCut. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.